Hello everyone, welcome to the featured video of Clear Cart and Sessions for WooCommerce. This plugin is developed by FME Addons, a leading WooCommerce plugins development company having more than 25 best-selling plugins in its catalog. Let's see what this plugin can do for you. Old sessions and customer carts remain saved in online store databases for 48 hours. Define Clear Cart and Sessions duration in minutes, hours, and days. Display a Clear Cart button to allow customers to empty their carts and start shopping from the scratch. Our Clear Cart and Session for WooCommerce plugin is fully compatible with HPOS, high-performance order storage, and multi-site. Let's see what this plugin can do for you. Add products in cart and go to cart. You can display Clear Cart button on cart page. A confirmation message will be displayed before clearing the cart. Redirect customers after clearing the cart. For back-end configuration, go to documentation page. Thank you for watching. If you have any further queries, feel free to contact our support team.